Did the team win the sporting tournament at the end of the season? Did the team get to the next division? All of those kinds of things. So I want you to think in terms of achievements across personal and professional life. Why? Because most employers, most hiring people want to see that you're more than a professional robot, that you're well-rounded, that you're achieving in all aspects of life. They want to hire a human being, not a professional robot. And one of the ways you demonstrate that you're an all-rounder, that you're not only zoned in on professional achievements, is by, from time to time, sharing some personal achievements. So it is okay to use those. And then tailor your resume and your cover letter. Customize your application, right? Do not send out generic resumes and generic cover letters, because that's going to demonstrate to the person that you have not completely zoned in on their job description, on their job ad. When you send out generic resumes and cover letters, you will always miss one or two or even three of the essential key selection criteria of that company's specific selection criteria. You will miss it, and they will pick it up. Good hiring people, good recruiters will pick it up in a heartbeat. And you don't want to gain the reputation of the applicant who is not putting time, energy, and focus in doing your research and getting to know what that particular company is looking in for in that particular role. So tailor every application. Tailor your resume and your cover letter and your application to suit the selection criteria of the job. So in summary, identify your core strengths, translate the skills to new contexts, highlight your achievements, and remember it's okay to use one or two achievements from your personal life, and tailor your resume and cover letter. Customize your application. Show that you've done your research, that you're taking this application for this particular company, for this particular role, very seriously. Generic resumes, cover letters are no-nos in the application process. And people usually pick it up very quickly. They can usually, a good recruiter, a good hiring person will pick it up very quickly. So in summary, I want to let you know, and I want to encourage you that your skills are far more valuable than you think, and that you have loads of them that can be transferred across into new industry. You simply need to get really good at leveraging your transferable skills so you make the successful career change that you're looking for. We've all got a lot of experience in our personal lives and in our professional lives. And through our experience, through our overcoming, through our challenges, through our wins, that's where we bring our value. And if you get really good at translating those, you will be able to make the successful career change that you're looking for. You are valuable. Believe that you're valuable. Believe your skills are valuable. And believe that someone out there is looking for exactly what you have to offer.